I was sent the mango chili zing flavor. First of all, it tastes really good, but it has that zing to it. It's definitely got a little spice of kick and heat in the most delicious way. It's very easy to eat, just 2 spoonfuls straight out of the jar works, or you can add it to a smoothie or something like that. This is a great flavor, especially if you like a little spice and a little fruit. Kind of reminds me of mangoes with the tahini on it. So good. Looks like we got the strawberry coming up. Okay, so this is what the strawberry looks like. Has a very nice strawberry smell to it, I would say. Again, you're getting that thicker consistency with these. Taste on this one, pretty like strawberry, I guess. If you like a good strawberry flavor, it's pretty good. A good option. I think my kids would like it. Cherry pie. Smells good, kind of has like that reddish brownish color to it. Yeah, cherry pie is good. Nice, good flavor right there. So it comes with that non-breakable container, and then it's made in the USA, non-GMO. Sea moss gel has a lot of benefits for your digestion, your gut health, and also your immunity and just your overall well-being. This one tastes like a cherry pie, like the inside of a cherry pie. Now you can take a couple spoonfuls a day straight from the jar, or you can mix this into a smoothie or however you want to take it. We have elderberry, and elderberry is really, really good during cold and flu season. So this one is going to have that added benefit of immunity boosting from the elderberry. Gluten-free, made in the US, no added sugar in these, vegan, and then it's full of those vitamins and minerals. Okay, elderberry can sometimes taste a little stronger. It looks a lot like the cherry pie. Okay, let's try it. Not bad. It's strong. It's definitely a stronger taste. So if you're brand new to sea moss, you might not want to start with an elderberry. But if you're used to the taste of elderberry, then this would be really, really easy to take. And again, elderberry is so good for helping with your immunity, especially during cold and flu season. Natural superfood, made in the US. That's the elderberry flavor. Mango pineapple. This one has natural electrolytes. Okay, here's the 8 ounces size of the mango pineapple, made in the US, non-breakable container. Smells good. Smells like a sorbet. Kind of like what you would imagine if you got a mango pineapple sorbet. And then I'm going to take a tiny taste of it. That one's easy. Easy to take. Super easy. You can eat it straight from the jar, just a couple spoonfuls, or you can add it to your favorite smoothie if you're making a fruit smoothie in the morning. And then once you open it, you do want to pop it in the fridge and consume it within 4 weeks. And then you're getting all the benefits of sea moss gel, which helps with your immunity, your digestion, and your overall well-being. Sour apple. So it's got this like, kind of like an applesauce consistency, maybe a little bit thicker. So it's definitely like this gel. And then you refrigerate it after you open it. This one has the purified water, wild-crafted sea moss, apple juice, apple puree, lime puree, monk fruit juice concentrate, and then natural green sour apple flavor and ascorbic acid. Okay, let's taste it. I like that one a lot. I wasn't sure if I would like that one or not, but I really like this one. It's not too sour by any means. In fact, tastes more just like apple, like a green apple. I don't really taste like a huge hit of sour. I thought it was gonna be almost like a sour candy. Super easy to take. And then you're getting the great benefits of sea moss gel and this nice non-breakable container, which is really nice. And then once you've opened it, just pop it in the fridge and try to consume it within 4 weeks. And you can eat it straight from the jar. Just take a couple spoonfuls a day. Okay, down to the final taste. All right, my final taste, because I've done this one already and I really loved that one, is the grape soda splash. Grape soda splash. They kind of make really fun flavors, don't they? All right, so that's our first one. Grape soda splash, natural superfood. Again, you get the electrolytes in it, vegan, made in the USA. This is a 2-week supply. So the large size, you got 2 weeks. You have up to 4 weeks to consume it though, so you do have a little bit of extra time on that. And let's see what else it says. You want to refrigerate it for about 2 hours before you take them. So when it does arrive to you, it's going to be room temperature. And then I just pops it in the fridge for a couple hours before this live. So they're that nice optimal temperature. And then once you open it, just keep it in the refrigerator. You want to keep it there. And that's it. You can add it to drinks. You can add it to smoothies. You could add it to grape soda. This is a very strong smell. Let's see how I do with this one. Very strong smell. This is the consistency. So it's got that gel consistency to it. If you look really up close, you can kind of see some grape seeds, or grape skin, I should say, in there, not the seeds. And then this one has purified water, wild-crafted sea moss, grape juice, blackberry puree. That's probably what we're seeing, the blackberry puree. Lime puree, and then the monk fruit and the absorbic acid. So blackberries and grapes. Ooh, that one's strong. Okay, that reminds me of like the communion wine that you get in the little capsules. If you go to church, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, it just reminds me of like a non-alcoholic wine, grape juice. It's okay. I'm not a huge grape juice person, so I might not be the best person to judge that, but it's not my favorite. Not my favorite. But if you liked grape juice, I think you would actually really like that. Okay, so that one is done. You can see that, did we say it was blackberry puree? Let me double check. Blackberry puree, because you can kind of see the real fruit in there. Okay, so let's rank. My 2 least, strawberry and black. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna rank, guys. I did like that sour apple. Let me think about where I want that one in my lineup. I'm gonna put that one there. Okay, so coming in, first place. And actually, before we rank, let me click on a couple things real quick, because I just want to make sure I gave you all the different options. Yeah, I also put in there, if you want to get elderberry and a mango pineapple together, those two have a deal going on right now where you can get both of them and you get 13% off, and then you get an additional 15% off. So I did put that in there as well. So there's a few where there's like combos if you want to grab a combo. It's not a horrible idea. Okay, and let me see if there's any other combos to share. I might have done the same one. Oh yeah, there's elderberry and mango chili zing. So that'd be the elderberry and the mango chili zing. That's also one. If you want to just click through the carousel, you can see all your options. But sometimes if you get them in bulk or you're grabbing a couple together, you're just getting a better deal. So I wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that. And yeah. Okay, I think that's the top ones. And then I'm gonna go ahead and click in there. Our top seller looks like it is, and by our, I mean their top seller, is the mango pineapple. 1,000 were sold last month alone. So that is the top selling flavor. I'm just clicking on the other ones like cherry pie. I didn't get to try the pina colada, but that does sound good. Mango pineapple. You can get the gummies as well. The gummies sound really good. That's my preferred way of taking it, would be the gummies. This is all plant-based. Let's click on the pina colada, why not? Okay, and the pina colada seems like the next popular one. All right, now let's do the rankings. Okay, you ready? Okay, my top flavor, mango pineapple. I'm giving that one number 1. My second top, mango chili zing. giving that number 2. So both of those are mangoes as some of the main ingredients. Those are my number 1 and my 2. Okay, number 3, I'm throwing in the sour apple. I liked that one a lot. Number 4, I'm going cherry pie. Okay, remember I only have 8. Number 5, I'm throwing in the strawberry. Number 6, I'm throwing in the grape soda. And I guess I only had 7 because 8 was an additional large size of the mango chili. Number 7, I'm putting the elderberry just based on taste. The fact that elderberry is so good for you probably should bump this one up in my rankings, but based on taste, I'm gonna go for a lower ranking on that one. So again, my tops, mango pineapple, if you're brand new to sea moss gel, highly recommend starting with like an intro flavor like this one. And if you love that like mango and tahini flavor, I think you're really gonna like the mango chili zing. That one's really, really good. And that one has the Wildcrafted sea moss, mango puree, lime, and then the monk fruit, and some cayenne pepper. So you get some pepper in there. And then I thought that the sour apple was just tasted like a green apple to me. Did not taste over the top. It's apple juice and apple puree as well as lime puree as the fruit. And then the other ones made the list, but just a little bit lower on it. Okay, so consider it like a really healthy jam. But again, it's so good for you. And these larger sizes, this is the 2-week supply. And then the smaller size, you can do 1 to 2 tablespoons to your favorite beverage, your food, or just eat it straight from the jar, however you want to do it. All right, everyone, thank you so much for hanging out with me on this live. Make sure you click through the carousel, find your favorite products, and then grab them with that 15% off promo code so you can get all the good deals on everything. And thank you to Biolore for sponsoring this live. Have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see you on the next live. Make sure you have followed me so you don't miss any of my lives. I do a lot of skincare and a lot of beauty, but also some wellness and health as well, and all kinds of fun things. And then you can click the hearts too to hit the like the live. Plus, if you missed anything, this all replays, so you can catch the replay as well. All right, bye everyone, happy shopping, and I will see you next time. Bye.